to represent India, and especially when the Indian women's team जी पळय qualify जाल्या in 3 age groups for the AFC qualifier, senior women's team, under 20 आणि under 17. सो हे पयले पार्टी 20 वर्सांनी 22 वर्सांनी अशें करून 1 वर्स सगळ्यो टीम क्वॉलिफाय जाले आणि आमी एज एन AIFF वुमेन्स कमिटी चेअरपर्सन एक स्विडिश MOU आमी सायन केलेलो विथ स्वीडन आणि तो पळय कोच हाडलो. तो कोचूय एकदम बरो अँड ही इज मॅनेज टू qualify 2 teams and the other coach is Crispin Chetri who's managed to qualify the senior team. So जायत फुटबॉलान तो खबर आहा की तो वयर सकल जाल तें पूण जी पळय चोड आहाय वुमेन्स टीम दे रियली मेकिंग आर नेशन प्राउड and me being a part of FIFA, I think it's a great honor and I'm humbled and we have to work towards building and making football more viable and qualifying at least once for the first time for a FIFA World Cup, which is definitely possible with the women's teams right now.
So इंडियातल्यान तू पयलेच चली आणि गोंयचे जाल्यार विचारीत जाता. सो ते
आणि बाळकीचे
सो कशे फिलिंग्स कशे आशिल्ले फर्स्ट मिटिंगेचे ते?
इट वॉज लायक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू आणि हांवें देखून चिंतून हांव फिफा कमिटी केन्ना पावतलें म्हूण, बट शिकयता की हार्डवर्क, पर्सिवियरन्स, रेजिलियन्स, डेडिकेशन, कमिटमेंट पळयता आनी तेमी तेंगे फिफागे एक रिसर्च टीम आहलोलो. तेम पयलें कोण कोणा चूज करपा येते आनी ते पोरीन तेमाक चूज केलें आनी हेजे फिफा जायत तुगेले टॅलंट डेव्हलपमेंट आणि सगळ्या जायत आधार दिता. आय बिलीव टू सी मेसी दे हॅव बॉट tickets for 10,000 rupees each, but it's sad that when the Indian team plays, or rather in the leagues, they're not willing to buy those tickets to go and watch them. So I think it's the perception, and no doubt Messi is like god of football and we all would love to see Messi and Ronaldo, but government and everybody should come together to promote the younger talent first. There's something wrong somewhere that we are not able to qualify, so we have to make it happen because to Isklaos, Huios, Sogle, not just Goa but all over India, they just love football. To get Bundesliga, La Liga, European League, Sogle to get highest TRP did the Indians.